So today's event with PwC and the CBI has been about bringing public and private sector leaders together to talk about both the challenges and opportunities around automation. Often we talk about automation and job losses and quite a dystopian future, and it worries us and it scares us. But actually, I think if we recognise what is potentially coming, there are a number of opportunities that we can seize through that.
There isn't really an option not to go with what technological advancement is giving us. I think one of the things that we perhaps forget is that the younger generations in society today, they're born on Facebook, they know how to swipe, and the skills they have in interacting with technology is very, very different from the minute they can walk and talk to, and even before that, to what it was years ago.
The need to provide those already in work with opportunities to upskill and retrain may become more pressing as we enter this period of rapid change.
So the thing with these technologies that they're coming, they're already here. So we're not trying to stop them is not going to be the way forward here. Certainly the way forward is going to be to prepare people better, to get a better understanding of those people who are most likely to be impacted, and then to support them. And that support can include retraining, especially retraining for the jobs of the future. That can include psychological support because of the psychological impacts of having change and of losing one's job. And also potentially financial support, and that's where issues and discussions around things like universal basic income can come in.
We live in a fantastic planet with finite resources, and in Wales we live in an amazing place. And actually, let's think about the benefits of those other natural resources, of us as human beings as a race, and actually let's enjoy that more, and let's use technology to help us have a higher level of well-being and a higher level of happiness and a higher level of enjoyment.
I think there's some real opportunities for us here in Wales, both to grow the economy and to improve our public services, but it's really important that we plan for that now, because they say the best way to plan for the future is to go out and create it.